Wooden Chic Design, unveiling the beauty and advantages of embracing nature in interiors. Introduction: the charm of wooden chic interiors. Welcome to Nook Up. In today's video, we're exploring the enchanting world of wooden chic design, a stunning style that seamlessly brings the beauty of nature into your home. Wood is timeless, grounding, and versatile, and we'll show you how incorporating it into your interior can enhance both aesthetics and function. If you're a fan of natural materials, earthy tones, and sustainable living, this video is for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's dive in. The essence of wooden chic design. Wooden chic design is all about embracing the warmth, texture, and organic qualities of wood in its raw or refined forms. This style highlights the natural grain, knots, and unique characteristics of wood, making each piece a one-of-a-kind element in your home. Whether it's through wooden floors, furniture, or accents, this design evokes a feeling of coziness and connection to the earth. The charm of wooden chic lies in its ability to blend rustic and modern aesthetics while maintaining a timeless appeal. Natural wood as a design staple. In wooden chic interiors, natural wood serves as a foundation. Its versatility allows it to pair effortlessly with any design style, whether minimalist, Scandinavian, or even industrial. The key is to embrace its imperfections, which give wood its character and authenticity. From reclaimed wood floors to exposed wooden beams, these elements bring warmth and a lived-in feel to your home. Wood, when left in its natural state or lightly finished, can introduce an eco-friendly, sustainable aspect to your interior design. blending organic and modern elements. One of the most exciting aspects of wooden chic design is its ability to mix organic materials with modern elements. Think sleek furniture paired with a rustic wooden coffee table, or polished concrete floors complemented by exposed wooden ceilings. This combination creates a balance between sleek and natural textures, making your interior feel both contemporary and inviting. Adding natural fibers, like wool or linen, alongside wood further enhances this harmonious look. The role of texture in wooden chic. Texture plays a crucial role in the wooden chic aesthetic. Raw, unpolished wood adds depth, while smoother finishes provide a clean, modern edge. Mixing different wood grains, colors, and finishes can create visual interest without overwhelming the space. For example, pairing rough-hewn wood furniture with soft upholstery adds a tactile contrast that is visually stimulating yet calming. Texture not only elevates the aesthetic appeal but also invites people to experience the space through touch. Sustainability and eco-friendly design. Wooden chic design is inherently eco-conscious. Using reclaimed or sustainably sourced wood reduces environmental impact while adding a unique story to each piece. Eco-friendly finishes and treatments can maintain the natural beauty of the wood without harmful chemicals. Incorporating green practices into your wooden chic interior not only enhances the visual appeal but also aligns with a broader commitment to sustainability. With the rise of eco-awareness, wooden chic offers a timeless yet progressive way to create interiors that respect nature. Creating warmth and comfort. Wooden chic interiors excel at creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. The natural tones of wood, whether light, medium, or dark, instantly infuse spaces with coziness. Wood's innate warmth can transform even the most modern, stark interiors into welcoming retreats. Layering different wood types, tones, and finishes, alongside soft textiles and natural light, creates a soothing, comfortable space perfect for relaxing or entertaining. Integrating wooden accents and accessories. If committing to full wooden interiors feels overwhelming, you can still achieve wooden chic by integrating accents and accessories. Wooden picture frames, shelving, or decorative bowls can add subtle warmth and texture without dominating the room. These accents are perfect for smaller spaces or renters looking to embrace the wooden chic trend without major renovations. Even adding a single wooden feature, like a headboard or a dining table, can significantly impact the overall design. Maintenance and durability of wooden interiors. One of the practical advantages of incorporating wood into your home is its durability. When properly cared for, wood can last for decades, if not centuries. With regular maintenance, like oiling or waxing, wood maintains its luster and can even improve with age. Wooden chic interiors often celebrate this aging process, as the patina and character of the wood evolve over time, adding history and depth to your home. Conclusion: the timeless appeal of wooden chic. Wooden chic interiors provide a perfect blend of nature and design, balancing modern sophistication with rustic charm. As we've explored today, wood brings warmth, sustainability, and durability to any space. Whether you're designing a whole room or just adding accents, embracing wooden chic will connect you to nature and elevate your home style. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and comment below on how you plan to incorporate wooden chic design into your home. Thank you for watching Nook Up, and stay in